In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate average in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to get a clean average for any numeric column in your Notion database, and you'll understand what that number represents. First, make sure you're looking at a database view in Notion, like a table, and identify the column that holds numbers you want to average. This could be expenses, hours, points, or any other numeric property. At the very bottom of that column, you'll see a small summary area. It might already display something like sum, count, or calculate. Click directly on that summary for the number property to open the calculation menu. If your table is long, scroll to the bottom of the column to find it. The summary lives in the column footer. When the menu appears, move your mouse over the calculate section. This reveals a list of quick stats, and it tells Notion you want to change how the column is being summarized. Keep your cursor there for a second so the related options show up clearly. Next, hover over More Options. This opens up the full set of calculation choices beyond the basics. You'll see things like median, min, max, and of course, the one we want. Now, click Average. Instantly, the footer updates to display the average of all numeric values in that column. Notion computes this by adding all the numbers together and dividing by how many valid numeric entries there are. Empty cells are ignored, while zeros are included, which is usually what you want for accurate data. If your column is a formula or rollup that returns numbers, the average will work the same way. If it's text or a select property, Notion can't average it unless it's converted or calculated into a number. A couple of quick tips to read the result clearly. If your number property is formatted as currency, the average will display as currency too. You can change decimal places or currency format in the property settings for cleaner presentation. If the average looks off, scan the column for any non-numeric entries or values you didn't mean to include, like placeholder zeros. Small data issues can skew the result. And that's it. You clicked the numeric columns footer, hovered over Calculate, hovered More Options, and selected Average. You can repeat this on any other numeric column, and you can always switch to a different summary later by opening the same menu again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaner, more insightful summaries in your Notion databases.